I think AIs already can be very effective companions in various ways. Like I think Illinois just passed this dumbass law about like AI can't be therapists. And you're like, look, what's your theory of that person who's at 11 p.m. feeling very depressed, etc., and is lonely and needs someone to talk to and may even be self-harming? What's your theory? Right. And frankly, my theory is like it's better for them to have access to an AI companion than not. Right. At that point, the therapist's not available, not there for most people, not affordable for most people, et cetera, et cetera. Not even in the landscape. And AI already can do really good, call it therapeutic companionship. Very patient, listen to you, be there and do things. And obviously, you want to be trained in a way that's not like, well, I want to harm myself. Oh, here, let me help you. It's like, no, no, no. Let's talk about why you want to harm yourself and what's going on. And there's a whole bunch of very thorny issues to be navigating here. But I think it can be that. Now, can it be a therapist? I think the answer is yes, ultimately. I think there may be a training standard that's not there. Therapist is also not a friend's relationship, because again, it's like a service relationship and kind of equivalent. And so I think but I think already today, one of the things that's under discussed is that these models being trained, like for example, in my own kind of co-founded AI companion startup, Pi, personal intelligence from Inflection, it's trained to be kind. Now, if you ask it, you tell it, "You're my best friend." It says, "No, no, I'm your companion. Let's talk about your friends. Friends are really helpful for life and so on." But being kind and having very emotionally positive interactions is good for us in various ways. And like there was this whole, you know, critique of OpenAI as having a certain set of models that were too sycophantic, which of course can be a error. Like, would you rather it be, like, sycophantic, or would you rather it be, uh, kinda nasty and British? Like, "Well, let's err a little bit on that side." Like, I thought it was, like, a little bit of a storm in a teacup. Again, have errors there, but not that. So, finally, on the friendship side, all of this gives you the kinda baseline for how I would think about friends and AI, which is part of the reason I don't think AI can be friends today is that it's a tool, it's a service, um, it's kind of it's an engaging, it's not an independent entity. Um, and obviously there's a whole bunch of different questions that come around. Well, when could it be, and when should it be, and when would we want it to be so, and when we not want it to be so, and you could just spend, I think we will spend, many many years philosophically working out a bunch of this stuff, and there'll be a bunch of different human positions which will have different points of view on these questions. But that being said, I think right now, I think it clearly cannot be. I literally had a friend of mine said, you know, Claude is my best friend. I'm like, it absolutely is not. It's extremely helpful to you, right? And I'm not trying to deny your experience of it being so useful to you, like on every different thing that you're turning around to. That's great. That's a good feature. It's good that AI. It's good that you're engaging with it. But a friend to some degree, like here's a simple way of thinking about the kind of friend. You might say, "Oh, I'm having a really bad day," and you're going to lunch with your friend. You sit down and like, I'm planning on talking about my bad day with my friend, and kind of working through this. And then you discover your friend has had a much worse day, and your agenda has completely changed. We're talking about my friend's worst day, right? For this, and that kind of different entity and navigating is part of what's good for you, and part of what's good for the two of you in exploring friendship together, because that kind of the hey, we are helping each other navigate life in this way is part of the thing that is kind of fundamental to friendship here.